County in central North Carolina. Southwestern Burnett County in central North Carolina. Northeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina. West central
Well.
Northern Hope County in central North Carolina until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen, 7 miles southwest of Southern Pines, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts
And
and
that's the
quarter-size
culprit right there.
hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs,
CST.
siding, and trees.
Raleigh.
Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pope Air Force Base, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, and Venice. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe
Okay,
thunderstorm
so
warning
I'm just
for
chilling, right?
Eastern North County and Central
And
North
Raleigh
Carolina,
decides to
Northwest
pull his
County in
SDR
Central
for
North Carolina, Northeastern County in
Richmond.
Central North
Yeah.
Carolina, West Central Cumberland County in Central North Carolina, Northern Hope County in Central North Carolina until 4:30
Typical.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen.
Well,
7 miles
this one
southwest
might
of
be
Southern
next.
Pines, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind
Nah.
gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Shoot.
radar indicated.
Raleigh, man.